Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the learning class. Today's video is a short video on how to create a logo for your pet store. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we start, please consider subscribing, liking, do all the good stuff. Just help the channel out. Okay, so this is going to be for a Shopify store. This is my store. It's called Pets and I want to create a logo. So we're going to use Canva. I think Canva is probably one of the best logo free and paid version, pretty much in the world. So let's go to canva.com. This is how it looks like. Just go to your search box and just type in pet logo and see the magic happening. Now you will see literally there is like hundreds and hundreds of options. I mean, cats, dogs, birds, whatever you feel, different colors, different font, different style. I mean, they've got everything for pretty much every website. And the best thing is that, for example, if you select this, you don't have to go with that because you can actually customize it. So you can change the font, you can change the color, you can play around and make it, make it kind of really your own. Just have a look of this selection that they have. Just unbelievable. And you don't have to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars to logo maker because most of them are actually using Canva. So just use it by yourself and you can save a lot of money. Okay, so I'm just going to select a logo. Let's select this. If you scroll down, you will get some more options. So maybe let's go this is like cute dog. Okay, once you select that, click on customize this template. So something like this will open up. Now by default, the size from Canva is 500 by 500 px. Okay, so we just want to change this because I have seen in Shopify this does not work all the time. So we just need to customize this whole size. Okay, so click on custom size. As you can see, right now is 500 by 500. So we're going to select 450 by 250. Now this is, in my experience, this size has always worked with all of the Shopify stores and all the Shopify themes. Okay, click on continue. It gives you two options: copy and resize. Resize the design. Copy and resize means it's going to keep this one and it will also give you a new size, but we're just going to resize this one. Okay, so as you can see, it has now resized. Okay, and now you can change the text. So mine is pets. I'm going to write here pet store. Maybe just make this theme, make this text a little bit bigger. So you can just click and just drag. Okay. So I think this looks pretty good, but I'm not happy with this text style. I want like more like a pet friendly font, if I can say that. So just highlight this and then go to your, you can see right now the font is Montserrat Classic. So just click this and I'm just going to type in pet. Let's see what comes up. So you can see I've got some cute little text here which I think will work very well with my pet font. I'm going to select this one, pets. Yeah, let's see how it looks. I think it's okay. It looks a bit funky. I'm going to reduce the size of this icon a little bit. It's a little bit too big. Okay, and this one I'm going to put as maybe okay. So I've changed both the font. Just gonna format the text so everything kind of just aligns very well. So pet store. Okay, I also want to change the color. I don't like this black color. I'm gonna make it gray. Again, guys, this is changing colors and everything. This is kind of really relative. It just depends on your eye, your artistic instinct, and all of that. Okay, now this looks good. So we are ready to download. Click on share, go down, click on download. Always make sure it's transparent. So just click on download. Excuse me. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now what we need to do is we need to crop this image. So this is by default the Windows 11 picture editor. So you don't need any fancy editor or anything, because we just need to crop the image. So click on edit image. You will see like this. Let's remove the excess space. Okay, so excess space has been removed. Click on save. Now let's go back to my store. Okay, this is the front end. Go to the header section, click on header, click on logo image, and then click this. Click done, and voila, my logo has been added in the website. I can click, just do refresh, and my logo is here. It's cute, looks nice, and I'm very happy with it. So just give it a go, guys. See how you guys go with the logo. I highly recommend using Canva. And